Hey everybody, this is Bradley here. We just had the Continental, Ohio siren test here in Continental, Ohio. That they do their siren test every Saturday at noon here in Continental, Ohio, just in case if there's an actual warning for the city of Continental. All right, well, y'all hope you're really enjoying this siren test, and I'll get more siren tests again soon. Hope y'all subscribe to my channel, give it a like, give it a comment. What you think? All right, well, y'all have a good day. All right, thank you. All right, bye.